how effective is the TTRS HJ catch can? I've heard that it's not worth the money to install it with the CEPB engine.
Well, I mean, do you need one? Is the initial question.
Yeah. So what we did is we there is from the top of the valve cover, there's the outlet of the crankcase, and normally that goes right into the turbo inlet. So what we did is we rerouted that to the catch can first, and it goes back to the inlet. So any liquid oil or oil fumes or anything go through our catch can first before going to the turbo inlet. There is another spot where um, uh, typically any factory car you'll see through the crankcase breather system, there's always a connection to the intake manifold, and that allows the engine to put vacuum on the crankcase. Typically, you always want the crankcase under vacuum. If you can't get vacuum, then having zero pressure or atmosphere inside the crankcase is optimal. The last thing you want is pressure. You don't want to have a pressurized crankcase at all. But if you can put a connection to the intake manifold, then you can put some vacuum on the crankcase, and it also gives an opportunity to burn those crankcase fumes through the engine, through the combustion process of the from an emission standpoint. There is still a possibility of oil going from there into the engine. So our catch can doesn't address that one point. If you really wanted to, you could intercept that and send that to our catch can first and try to do something there. It would really require a second catch can to go in that spot. So I believe any criticism you've heard is probably relating to that. But our catch can does work in the sense that it captures any of the oil coming directly out of the crankcase, which we believe is the bulk of the issue. So, yeah, I mean, it does what it does. We don't advertise that it does anything beyond that. Happy to talk openly about it like I just did.